we made it. And now we're stuck in line. Even though this just says an hour away, we're here. What? Why is he turning around? Damn. Beadlocks on the stock wheels. Damn. There's literally a car meet in the parking lot. And this is not even the main parking. We got regular traffic, bro. I don't even know what to film.
For a Ferrari to a BMW show, bro. It's the wall. And you don't even.
How y'all feel about this? It's probably gonna be hard for you guys to hear me, but I'm gonna try my best to record some of the cars. M3CS. Advent GTs, these are the wheels I want for my car. Tough. Yo, what color is this? It is so clean. No, this is crazy. Y'all know whose car this is.
Yo, make that our list again, bro.
You get the number.
I think they feel that way.
It sounds like a crazy thing. That's it.
with Dre. And the black ass nigga with white.
No, que se llame. Y él me saludó y todo, y me habló, bro. Bueno, no, yo quería conocer contigo, era más contigo.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. We about to head home. Just leaving Mpact right now.